welcome back to another video with Call Me Jessie. Well, I'm so sorry for delaying. I don't know why do I always do these things, but yeah, well, I'm sitting in my mom's room today and I'm filming. Well, if you're watching this, mom, hi dad. Well, yeah, so I'm filming it in their video because my room was a bit messy, so I happened to come here and sit. And yeah, I got my teddy bear in here because I stole his chair. My teddy bear sits on a chair, so I stole his chair and I wanted to sit and film over here, so that's why. Yeah, so this video is a bit different because this is about my everyday makeup, how I do, you know, the normal makeup how I do. So if you like this, give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. So, and I'll be shooting some more videos over the weekend, and yeah, I'll be posting them regularly, hopefully. Hopefully I won't make any more delays, but yeah, so let's jump right into it, guys. So whenever I go out, I hate going out with oily hair. So if I have to take shower before, if my hair is oily, I always do take shower before going out, head shower. So obviously I don't want to go out with oily hair. I hate going out with oily hair. Also, so I always wash my face. So this is a short video clip how I do and what product I use and how I actually wash my face. So recently I've been using the dark spot corrector. I've got like so many marks over here on my skin and it's a bit disgusting. I already have freckles over here, so it makes even more worse to have all these dark spots. And I've been using this this by Revolution, if you can see this. Oh yes, I use this product by Revolution, and yeah, so this one I use this as a dark spot corrector. I showed you guys in my last video, and I've already been using this by Kiehl's. It's clearly corrective dark spot solution. So this is the one which I use. Oh, sorry guys, this focus is really bad. Well, I don't know if you guys can see, but I will leave all the links down below in my description box. So yeah, this is how I usually just wash my face, and I always pat dry my face. So never rub your face, always dab your face. So when you use the towel, just dab it and then pat it dry. So I use this clean and clear. I've been using this. It does leave my skin a bit dry, but I always use the moisturizer. I always try to use as much as moisturizer as possible once I use this. Clean and clear exfoliating stuff. I don't know what it is. Exfoliating solution? Well, I don't know what is it called, but yeah, I showed you guys that one, the blue one. So I use that, and then I try to use the I'm forgetting to speak in English. Oh my god. Okay, so I use the thing to obviously clean my face, and is it called the roller? No, it's called the massager, or no, it's not called the facial cleanser. Oh my god, yeah, the facial cleanser. And I use the sensitive brush one because the other ones, it's a bit harsh for my skin, so I don't really like using that. So I use the one which is sensitive. So yeah, as I showed you guys over here in the video, I showed that to you guys. So yeah, so once my skin is clean and clear, once I come out after washing my face, and if I was to take shower, I come and I first moisturize my face. So the first thing I will do is apply the solution. So this is usually what I do. I always try to drop it in my face. I never like touching the dropper to my skin, because for hygiene's purpose. So once I've done this, I put it all over my face, and then I go for the moisturizer. This is the NIVEA Soft. And I never forget to put this on. This is like my favorite thing to do during the day. So this is the Garnier Ambre Solaire. I don't know how to say that. So I use the sun protection. It has got SPF 50, so it has very high protection. So once my face is a bit soft, that feels so good. So yeah, now we're gonna go on to our makeup. So once my skin is a bit nicely moisturized, I'm gonna try these, try the Pro Concealer. This is the first time I'm gonna try it, so I'm gonna try that, the one which I showed you guys in my haul. So the first thing what I would like to do, usually I use this number 7 airbrush away. So it's a really good primer. I really like this primer, but just for the video purpose, because I don't think I'm gonna be going out anywhere, so I'm just gonna use this Maybelline Baby Skin. It's an instant pore razor. This is what I used to use, and then I found that one and I've been using that. So in like the main areas which I tend to get oily is, so you see it does like an instant, so you see the oily skin which was there, it's gone. So it's like an instant pore razor. I really like this as well. This used to be my favorite, but since the other one came up, I've been using that. So yeah, this is what I've been doing. So I know this video is gonna be a bit too long, so I'm gonna try to be in a bit of hurry and try to finish this. And then the next one is foundation. So I use this, well, I'm gonna show it to you guys. I use the NYX foundation. So it's the Stay Matte but Not Flat. I use it in the shade Beige. So I tend to have like different type of, well, I really need to get a different color now, because whenever I go for waxing, like my skin color is so different and I feel like it doesn't match me. So this one is just about to finish. I really need to get a new one for this one. Always another tip is that always use a damp beauty blender, because it helps so much. It's really good in a way that it really helps you to do to set the foundation properly. So I think I'm putting makeup like after 2 weeks now. So after I put that, my skin's looking great. Yeah, so after I put the foundation on, well, I don't even use that much of foundation. Like a little bit of is enough for my full face. Like I don't like that too cakey and too like, I don't like too, not cakey, but I don't like too much of coverage. Like, but this one's really good, like if you see. And then the next one, what I put is I use this Maybelline Anti-Age Concealer. Once that is done, oh my god guys, I completely forgot to use this. How mad is that? How crazy is that? Like seriously, wow, I can't believe that. That is crazy. And then I'm gonna set the concealer with the translucent powder. This one as well, I showed it to you guys in my whole video. This thing is showing. I'm just focusing on the mirror. So yeah, I'm gonna set this up. Well, have the powder for it. I don't think this is the right brush for it. My brush needs to be washed and I don't have the brush to set my concealer. I really don't have a brush. I need to go for brush shopping. So I'm gonna set my concealer with the DIY brush. Once that is done, once I've set my concealer, well, I need to get my brush. I need to get brushes. It is so bad. And then we go in the next one. That is I'm gonna do my eyes now. So I am gonna use this palette. I'm not even holding it right. I'm gonna use this palette to do my eyes. Yes, and I'm filming up through my camera so you guys can see. To my phone. I'm so sorry, yeah, because my camera takes so long to transfer the data, so I use my phone. So I'm gonna use this Revolution palette by Stove. It's Extra Spice. That's the palette's name. So I'm gonna use this one. So I always go for like a nudie brown. So for like a nude color, nudie brown. That's not even. I always go for like a nude brown color for my daily look. So I'm just gonna try and do this. So this is like my daily color. It's beautiful, isn't it? Then I'm gonna go for a bit of darker brown. That is in the color Cheesecake. So the previous color which I used was Cookie Dough. I really love the color names on these ones. It is so cute. There is like vitamin C, there's sweet and sour, there's 21, which is like a really nice gorgeous hot pink color. And then they have got like they have got milled one, they have got like brownies, that's like really dark brown, this color. And then they've got running late as well, so if you that is so cute. I love this palette. This is how my eyes look after blending. Oops. So yeah, this is how they look after blending. And then the next step is to put on the mascara. To put on the liner. So I'm just gonna use my mirror for this again. I'm gonna do my other eye. So this is how it looks after I put the eyeliner on. I can never do a wing liner. Well, I suck at it because I've got this mole right next to my right eye over here, so I can never do like a winged perfect eyeliner. So yeah, this is how it looks after I put on the eyeshadow. And then the next one I'm gonna go for my bronzer. The best part about my face, I really love my eyebrows because I don't have to do my eyebrows. They're like fleek. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I do have the palette. I thought I didn't get it. So now I'm gonna do the highlighter. That's my favorite thing to do. I always love putting a bit of highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes. Tell me if you guys do love it as well, because yes, who doesn't like a bit of sparkle near the eyes? I use this brush. So I use this tiny little brush for this. And then once I'm done with that, use a bit of highlighter on this part. Use that. Also, I like a bit on my... Who doesn't like it over here? I might as well use it this way. And a bit on the... That's done, and now I need to put a bit of mascara and a bit of liner. Oh, I completely forgot about this. To put eyeshadow on my lower lashes. Who forgets that? Me. That's done for my lower part. And what else am I missing out? Oh yes, my blush. I love this blush. It is the Maybelline blush. It's called Cherry Blow. Yeah, Maybelline Cherry Blow. I'm gonna go for my lips. So I'm using this MAC lipstick. I'm using this in the shade Sheer, C-S-C-E, Sheer, and that's AB6. I don't know if that's the shade, but yeah, that is. I don't know if AB6 is the shade number, but it's called Luster Sheer. I can't even say it. So my favorite part is to put the makeup spray. So this is the, I don't know why is it not focusing. This is by NYX again. It's the dewy finish. So right after this, put a bit of So right after this is my finished makeup look. Let me know in the comment section below. Oh, I completely forgot to add on my mascara. Wow. So I'm using this mascara by Chanel, and it is in the shade, it is number 10. So this is my favorite mascara. My mom gave this to me, and my mom bought this for me, and it's been my favorite as always. So this is the Chanel number 10. So this is my finished makeup look. So if you guys do like this, please do give it a big thumbs up. Tell me how you guys like it in the comment section. Also let me know if you guys like these type of videos so I can make them in the future. And also don't forget to share, subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon so you wouldn't miss out any future notifications from me when I upload videos. So yeah, and thank you so much for watching, guys. So hasta la vista.